Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that actually Hong Kong spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF trading has started today on the 30th of April and how it performed on its first day. The second thing is, let's talk about the FOMC meeting, what is on today and actually will be tomorrow. And we have also MicroStrategy, who basically the companies just keep buying Bitcoin, and they bought another amount in April, keep doing their DCA strategy. Guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this type of content. And now let's do it. Well, today we can still see weakness on the market. Bitcoin is down 1.2%, Ethereum more than 4% down in the last 24 hours. When we're looking at the top gainers, Kronos up 4%, Wormhole 4%, ENA up 4%, and no major moves. Among the losers, we have more. Pendle 15% down, Core 8% down, Lido down 8% down. So the altcoins keep going down. And even the total crypto market cap is 2.2 trillion US dollar right now. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, it's important because today is the last day of April, should focus a little bit on the monthly performance. And because when we're going down, what we experience now, Bitcoin price is at 61,245 US dollar, then people usually panic. But when you zoom out, then you actually can see that, hang on, we had here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in the row when Bitcoin price just went up. 7 months. That means the last time it went down, it was in August back in 2023. Even look at this here back in 2020, when Bitcoin's price started to go up here, then it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 6? Yeah. So now we're actually 7. And this was the bull market, what we had back then, if you remember. So that we have some correction, a month, which is in the red, but still holding itself above 60,000 US dollar, which is kind of where we're looking at here. Look, we're holding these levels, which were the peak performance at the end of the month, even when Bitcoin was, in November, for example, when they closed November. So overall, the picture is not looking bad, as we haven't seen any red candle. And now one of the reasons why we started to go down was the weak performance of Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETF on the first day in Hong Kong. And now let's talk about that. Okay, so, the long-awaited start. Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETF trading in Hong Kong is on since today. On the 30th of April, they just started, but they weren't doing that well than people thought, because look at this. Here you can see that the volume on the first day was 11 million US dollar. So it's a far cry from the debut of their Bitcoin spot ETF counterparts in the United States, which show 4.5 billion US dollar on the first day of trading in January. It started back on the 11th of January. And 6 new spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF started in Hong Kong, but the volume on the first day, it was just 11 million US dollar. And this was a kind of disappointment in the way that many people said that, okay, it's going to be much bigger than the United States, Asia market, and so on and so forth. We should think about the long term. So now this is on, then probably at the end of the year, spot Bitcoin ETF coming to Australia and some other countries. So this is a process. But because the performance wasn't that great that they thought. Therefore, we can see some decrease on the market right now. Also, now we have the FOMC meeting. It's on, and this is also a shaky thing. So many investors are waiting for tomorrow. And yeah, let's talk about that. So recently we heard that the Fed is suffering to bring down the inflation, and their plan is not working as they really wanted to work. And now, therefore, people are a bit more pessimistic when it comes to interest rate cuts. And the Fed said probably there will be 3 in this year, but now they're questioning it, that will there be 3 or less or actually none? And this is what we don't know. But, you know, now the FOMC meeting is on, and you can see that more than 70% saying that there won't be anything, no increase, no decrease. They're going to be a pause, so no change. But the most important thing is what Jerome Powell going to say in the press conference, how hawkish or dovish he is. We're going to see it. This is going to be tomorrow on the 1st of May. So yeah, this is another thing which can move the market, definitely. But doesn't matter what's happening on the market. Bitcoin is going up or down. MicroStrategy is keep buying Bitcoin. Well, why some investors are panicking when price is going down, some are happy about it, or when it goes up, then the FOMO hits. Doesn't matter what's happening, MicroStrategy keeps buying Bitcoin. And well, they started back in August. You know, here you can see it pretty well in 2020. And these green dots are when they actually purchased Bitcoin. And you can see they really DCA'd because they went all the way up here. They bought there. I don't know why. Okay. Then they went down, bought there, all the way here, and keep buying. And as you can see, now they purchased another 122 Bitcoin, not a major amount for them, $7.8 million worth of Bitcoin. But with this altogether, they own already 214,400 Bitcoin. And this is a lot of Bitcoin, to be honest with you. And whoops. No, this is the one. Yeah. Where did I put the? Oh yeah, sorry. This you can see how you know, the holdings went up, and yeah, look the performance since they're buying Bitcoin since August the 10th, 2020. How other assets performed? You know, MicroStrategy's you know, stock just went up because of Bitcoin. But when you're looking at the other assets, since that, S&P 500 went up 52%, Nasdaq 45%. You know, I'm not going to read it out, but you can see the big ones. Gold 15%, silver -3%, bonds still -21%, some other Google. So nothing has performed just like Bitcoin. And we talking about a bear market, what we have seen since, and in Bitcoin and crypto market. And now we all again going a bit down, but yeah, as you can see, the number is pretty nice, and Bitcoin is the main reason why MicroStrategy went up pretty well. And what I just showed you today, a couple of minutes ago, it's all about here about CZ. Because, you know, today probably we're going to find out that will CZ face some jail or not. Well, actually saying that he's going to see some jail time, but, you know, some suggest that it's going to be less than a year. Then previously we heard about 3 years. So anyway, bottom line here, we still have to wait. We don't know it. He has done a lot for the industry, to be honest with you. I think CZ is the figure. You know, there are many scammers. The crypto people hate, just like Sam Bankman-Fried and some others. But even, I guess, when he's getting to jail, not everybody will have, you know, these kind of hard feelings. but we're going to see. Anyway, so this is also probably will be announced today. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.